The reviewer kicks things off with the undeniable visual statement of the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody. It's not just another Charger, it's the apex of four-door muscle. Massive fender flares, 3.5 inches wider than stock, wrap around 20x11-inch carbon black wheels, stuffed with fat 305mm Pirelli tires. The stance is aggressive, purposeful, and clearly designed for high-speed grip and visual intimidation. Brutal performance specs. Under the ominous hood, this beast hides a 6.2L supercharged Hemi V8 packing 797 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque, a staggering bump over the standard Hellcat. Thanks to a larger 2.7-liter supercharger and reinforced internals, 060 mph comes in around 3.5 to 3.6 seconds, giving it the world's fastest mass-produced sedan bragging rights. Quarter-mile runs dip into the low tens at 129 miles per hour. Engine and transmission feel. The supercharger whine blends with the rumble of the V8 exhaust, an auditory assault the reviewer describes as music to the enthusiast's ear. Behind the scenes, a stout ZF 8-speed automatic with reinforced internals manages the power, delivering prompt downshifts during aggressive throttle for instant burst responses. Ride and handling dynamics. Despite tipping over 4,500 pounds, the Charger provides an unexpected balance of brute force and composed handling. Its adaptive Bilstein suspension, sport/track tuning, and 34mm front/22mm rear stabilizer bars create a chassis that rains grip through corners. Limited slip diff ensures power goes down without embarrassing wheel spin. Steering is quick, though weighty, and feedback is hearty but not razor-sharp. Braking and launch control. Huge Brembo brakes, 15.7-inch fronts with 6-piston calipers, and 13.8-inch rears, offer excellent stopping power, putting this heavyweight monster in check with confidence and composure. Launch mode dominates light to moderate launches. Master the throttle or risk tire spin, but it delivers in the low 1/0-second quarter mile when used correctly. Fuel economy reality. This isn't a fuel sipper. Expect 12 miles per gallon in the city, up to 21 miles per gallon highway in the best-case scenario. But real-world heavy throttle usage sends figures plunging into the single digits. Owners are buying ferocity, not efficiency. Interior and tech features. Step inside and the cabin mirrors a performance car with creature comforts. Nappa leather, often in demonic red, heated/ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate, plus Apple CarPlay/Android Auto via Uconnect touchscreen and a 7-in SRT digital cluster. Harman/Kardon or Alpine audio systems, up to 19 speakers, are luxuries that shine, although build quality is described as mixed, upscale but with occasional rough edges. Daily usability and drivability. Remarkably, this monster can be daily driven. In street mode the ride is civilized and predictable. The four-door practicality, 5 seats, 16.5 cubic feet trunk, makes it usable beyond track duty. Still, the sheer thrill and temptation of unleashing 797 horsepower means self-control is baked into ownership. Styling and customization. This Redeye variant stands out with its functional air extractors on the hood, Hellcat badges with red eyes, satin black accent packages, stripe options, and the optional jailbreak personalization suite that unlocks 807 horsepower and lets buyers pick colors, badging, wheels, straight from the factory. Final verdict and legacy. The verdict: Dodge has created a four-door super sedan that blurs the line with professional dragsters. It delivers performance, intimidation, and visceral excitement in a package that can carry 4 and their luggage. Reviewers agree it's ridiculous, in the best way, offering a nearly irrational ratio of power to price. But its days are numbered. With electrification coming fast, this represents the last wild roar of internal combustion muscle. Conclusion. The Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody is a full-throttle phenomenon. It combines earth-shattering straight-line performance with surprising poise on the road, packed into a surprisingly usable sedan. It's loud, unapologetic, and intoxicating, perhaps the last echo of raw V8 muscle in this form. If you want a visceral four-door vehicle that doesn't whisper but roars, and can embarrass supercars at the lights, this is it. Just be ready for the fuel stops, tire wear, and staring at monthly gas bills.